Look, most of us were raised on a financial fairy tale. Go to college, get a $60K job, buy a house with a 30-year mortgage, and hope the stock market doesn't crash the year you turn 65. But in 2026, that plan isn't just outdated, it's dangerous.
The truth is, building wealth isn't a mystery. It's a 7-level game. The problem is that the American system is designed to keep you trapped at level 3 forever. Today, I'm giving you the cheat code to skip the line. We're going to break down the exact math for every stage, from the moment you're living paycheck to paycheck to the moment you never have to work for a boss again. You cannot fix what you don't track. Most Americans have ghost expenses. You think you spend $500 a month on food, but when you actually look at the bank statement, it's $1,200. The CEO mindset. If a company didn't know where its money went, it would go bankrupt. You are the CEO of your life. The math. Grab your bank statements for the last 90 days. Categorize everything. The 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs. Rent, groceries, utility bills. 30% wants. That $7 latte, the gym membership you don't use, and the weekend trips. 20% future. This is your pay yourself first fund. If your needs are over 60%, you aren't living, you're just surviving. Level 1 is cleared when you have a written budget and you know exactly where every cent is going. In Level 2, we stop playing offense and start playing defense. Most people try to invest before they've secured their base. Kill the bad debt. Anything with an interest rate over 8% is an emergency. Credit cards, 24% APR, are a fire in your kitchen. Put out the fire before you try to renovate the house. The armor. 1. Health insurance. In the US, one hospital stay can cost $50,000. 2. The $5,000 safety net. You need an emergency fund in a high-yield savings account, HYSA. In 2026, these are paying 4 to 5% interest. 3. Term life insurance. Protect your family, but avoid whole life. It's usually a bad deal for most people. Level 3 is where 90% of people get stuck. Why? Lifestyle inflation. You get a raise at work, and instead of investing it, you upgrade your car to a $900 a month payment. The pay yourself first rule. The moment your paycheck hits, your investment should leave. Automate it. The tools. 401k match. If your boss offers a match, it's a 100% return. If you don't take it, you're literally handing money back to the company. Roth IRA. Let your money grow tax-free. The rule of 72. Divide 72 by your interest rate. That's how many years it takes to double your money. At 10% interest, average stock market, your money doubles every 7 years. One income stream is too close to zero. Level 4 is about decoupling your time from your money. The AI revolution. In 2026, you don't need a team to start a business. Use AI tools to build newsletters, niche sites, or digital products. The goal: build a side income that covers just your needs, your rent and groceries. Once your side hustle pays for your survival, the stress of your 9-to-5 disappears. Don't buy a house to look rich. Buy it when the math makes sense. Your mortgage, taxes, and insurance should be less than 28% of your gross income. Consider house hacking, renting out a room to let others pay your mortgage. Use the 4% rule. If you want to spend $100,000 a year in retirement, you need a $2.5 million portfolio, $100,000 by 25. Start planning for inflation now, because $100,000 in 2026 won't feel the same in 2046. Level 7 isn't about having $1 billion. It's about having total sovereignty. It's the ability to say no to anything that doesn't serve you. Your investments now generate more money than you could ever spend. You've beaten the system, secured your family's future, and reclaimed your time. Conclusion: most of you watching are currently at level 2 or 3. That's okay. The biggest mistake is trying to jump to level 7 without building the foundation. Which level are you on right now? Tell me in the comments and I'll give you a tip for your specific stage.